Ever wondered if you can truly focus on more than one task at a time? Well, you're not alone. Multitasking, a term often thrown around as a skill, is believed by many to be a productivity booster. It's the idea that juggling multiple tasks at once can make us more efficient. But what if I told you that this widely accepted concept might not be as beneficial as we think? So, is multitasking a productivity booster or just a myth? Let's delve deeper to find out. What does science say about multitasking? Let's dive right in. The human brain, intriguing as it is, wasn't exactly designed to juggle multiple tasks simultaneously. Sure, we can walk and chew gum, but when it comes to more complex tasks, research suggests that we're not the multitasking maestros we think we are. A study conducted by Stanford University revealed that heavy multitaskers underperformed compared to those who preferred to focus on one task at a time. Their ability to pay attention, control memory, or switch from one job to another was compromised. Similarly, a report from the American Psychological Association highlighted that multitasking can lead to time lost as the brain adjusts to a new task. It can also increase the chances of errors. Esteemed neuroscientist Daniel Levitin supports these findings, suggesting that our brains get flooded with stress hormones when we attempt to multitask, reducing our cognitive abilities. So, it appears that multitasking might not be as beneficial as we thought. So, what's the final verdict on multitasking? Let's do a quick recap. Despite its allure, multitasking can often lead us down a path of decreased productivity. It might seem efficient to juggle multiple tasks at once, but science shows us that our brains aren't wired that way. Instead of enhancing our performance, it can actually hinder it, leading to more mistakes and less efficiency. The next time you think about juggling multiple tasks at once, remember it might not be the best idea.